Today on this Tips from Trestle Short, I'm joined by Erin Thompson, founder of Aspire for More with Erin. So Erin, I wanted to talk to you. We are collaborating on this super exciting Culinary Leadership 360 workshop. So I wanted our listeners and everybody interested in this workshop to know, why are you a part of this? What is driving you to do this?
Working with you is certainly something I'm excited about. And also just adding value to the leaders inside of our community. You and I both know how important culinary is to a community. And I think that it's a department that doesn't get enough light shown on its importance. And leadership is a key element as to how we can elevate the department inside of the communities. So that's my part of our workshop, is helping them understand how important they are and how to manage the day to day in a very strategic way.
Yeah, having that leadership piece, I think, is so needed and so important. And there's such a huge opportunity in the senior living space for that. And so tell our listeners when, where, all the good details and how they can be a part of this.
Yes, we are partnering with the Alabama Assisted Living Association, and we do have a host. It is in a community. It's at the Danbury at Inverness, and it is in Hoover, Alabama, which is right where Birmingham is. It's just a little close to Birmingham, and it is October 10th at 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. And we hope that all the surrounding areas of the Hoover, Birmingham area will support the workshop and just add value to their culinary leaders.
Absolutely. And we're going to drop the registration link in the post so you guys can sign up. And if you can't join us for this one, we've got the ability for you to learn and register for future events. So Erin, thanks for joining me today on Tips from Trestle.
Thank you for having me.